Yeah, we're done.
Am I a hoarder?
This is wild. It's wild. I don't like this.
You hate it? I didn't anticipate how much you So you guys know, it's no secret, my closet is kind of a disaster. When I moved into this house almost 5 years ago, that's crazy. It came with this brown his and her type closet, so it needed a little makeover. We went to IKEA, got the pack system, loved it, had it fully organized. It started out great, but you know, over time, it just kind of became this black hole where you couldn't even really see the floor. I realized I've turned into quite the hoarder. So the other day I watched Marie Kondo, and literally while I was watching it, I was saying to myself, I need that. I am so overwhelmed with my closet. So we hit up Marie Kondo. She didn't get back to us. Kidding, I didn't. I figured she was too busy. However, we have the next best thing. Meet Parker Blaine. Parker is an incredible stylist responsible for my Lara Croft Halloween look. I know, iconic, and has been brave enough to accept the challenge of purging, of deep cleaning and organizing AlishaMarie's closet.
Warrior.
A true queen. I'm nervous.
Pray for you.
Also, I am so excited, you guys. Parallel Apparel is having a new drop tomorrow with a new color, new items. I cannot tell you how freaking excited Ashley and I are, and we're so proud of this collection. I cannot wait to see you guys rocking it, feeling sexy as is. It is available tomorrow, 11:15, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time at parallelapparel.com.
I didn't even know really where to start. That was my biggest problem. I was like, where do we start?
And I was like, we just need to clean out the closet before we actually, just so I can know like what's in the closet, and then we can start making looks.
Honestly, same for me to even know what's in the closet, because there was too many times where I was like,
oh my god, I was wondering where this was.
Okay, this isn't too bad. Here are, you know how I have all the white tops?
Yeah.
These are kind of like the black tops.
Okay.
But a lot of them are workout. Here we have underwear and leggings. This is more workout leggings. And these are more workout tops. This is the most embarrassing thing.
Wait, I don't even know what's in here.
I just ran out of space, so this became like shirts. It's my fucking nightstand.
Yeah. Okay. So I think we're gonna keep this lovely dresser. We're done hoarding.
Yeah, we're done.
Am I a hoarder?
Maybe a little bit. There's a lot. There's a lot in here.
What was the number one thing wrong with my closet, would you say?
Like the organization. Like there were shorts on this side of the closet and that side, and like tops as well. When I just think like all like the pants and like shorts should be on one side and all the tops should be on one side.
Yeah.
To make it easier, organization wise.
No, that makes sense.
Yeah.
We've yet to really tackle the sweatpants. It's just so hard because, like, you know, there's things that you love. My favorite thing is going through stuff when I, like, hold it up to her and I'm like, Parker, is this cute? And you're like, I'm like, get rid of it, get rid of it.
I don't know how to, like, I don't want to be mean.
No,
I'm not mean, but I'm like, I don't think you need this.
That's why you're here.
Let's keep doing pants. Just go through those and then I'll start putting the workout stuff away.
Well, there's a lot more in the dresser.
Oh, that dresser.
Yeah.
Oh.
Think of how much we've gotten rid of now. I feel like I can do that with the dresser.
But
and
like,
then all we...
I don't even know what's in that.
I don't know what's in that, and it's been like that for probably a couple years.
These we can get rid of.
What's been the hardest thing for you to get rid of?
Have you seen these? I think you have. Do you know what these are? These have been my favorite PJ bottoms since 7th grade. I bought these at a Rite Aid in the men's section because I was going to a sleepover very last minute, so we stopped by the store to like grab some random things. Comfiest things of my life. When I tell you, not only is there a hole in the butt, like literally the booty, I have tripped on these going up and down the stairs probably like 30 times, and every time I trip, the hole in the pant gets bigger.
Oh my god. Oh my god. AlishaMarie.
I've genuinely almost died, like, because then my foot will get caught in it and then I trip and it rips it more. So they're like completely unwearable. Like,
AlishaMarie.
the only thing I can think of is like, what if I make this like
No.
a top or something?
No.
We had a little moment. I had my little
Funeral.
thank you for the memories. Thank you for what does Marie Kondo say? Also, I found a wallet and it had a whole bunch of gift cards in it. Isn't that the best thing ever? Rosie's loving this. She's going through everything.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this skirt, this was Remy's going out skirt. I started borrowing it every time I went to her house. And then one day she's like, just keep it. This skirt has seen many parts of LA. You know what I mean? Like, she's been to Venice, she's been into the bungalow. WeHo multiple times. Is this ugly?
No.
Oh my god, wait.
Really?
I mean, like,
I'm a skirt hoe. I love a
yeah,
skirt.
I can tell. By the skirt collection, yes. I mean,
You're never gonna wear
if
that.
you're never gonna wear it, you're never gonna wear it.
Okay, what about this? I've worn it on a carpet.
I honestly don't love it.
Okay, do you want it?
Yeah.
What do you have on fishnets?
I mean, like,
You know how they had their moment under denim? That's what these were. I cut these. There's some more.
I mean, might as well just like keep them because with
You never
fishnets,
know.
you never know.
You never know.
I would keep them in like the underwear
Okay.
area.
Okay.
No.
Oh, she loves that dress.
Really?
Wait.
This is a lot. We are also ordering new hangers, so all the hangers are going to be the same. I recommend like black velvet hangers, and for instance, she has some that have like the clips that you can purchase by itself that you just attach to the normal hangers.
Oh.
But I like the ones with like the metal bar, like the actual like velvet clip hangers.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is actually Remy's. Remy, I have your dress.
We'll put that there.
This guy,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
that's a top. I don't need this.
The dress you look really good in.
I would say
God, thank
keep,
you.
what the heck is going on here? I would say keep the dress. It's a good
Staple?
it's a good staple dress.
I love a cowl neck. That's like my favorite.
I can
owl.
tell. Yeah, there's like some things I've noticed. Okay, you definitely like purple. I've seen a lot of purple. Actually, there's a lot of like neutrals, like a lot of browns too that I see that I like, which is great for fall.
Yes.
This is good. I don't like this because I don't like the
The boobs.
yeah, and I just don't like the bow type deal. I don't know. We could do better.
What color do you think would look best on Alicia?
Like honestly, like yeah, like greens and purples.
Oh, I don't really wear much greens. I've been trying to. I feel like I've bought a few things recently.
Like that skirt.
Like the
Yeah.
skirt. I was like,
Oh my god, this is such a win.
what's on?
Oh, this is hot.
I went out to Coachella. I love
Oh
it.
my god. All right, let's change the hanger.
Yeah, it deserves better. Why are you laughing?
Can we toss it?
You hate it?
Kind of.
I've never seen you wear that.
Because I didn't know how to wear it.
And that's when you know. We can do better.
Goodbye.
This.
I just thought it. I never wear it.
How long have you had it?
Like 4 years.
Oh my god, absolutely not.
Roro, honey bun. I can't with you. Wow. Okay, we're gonna color coordinate this. I also never use all of these like bins. I have no idea even what's in some of them, and even like those heels up there, so I would love to utilize that space more.
This is wild, Nish. It's wild.
This video is 10 minutes straight of TK judging me. Okay, currently going through the sweatpants pile. These I'm gonna get rid of because they actually don't look good on me.
Okay.
Holy fuck, I'm so excited. I have to sneeze. Okay, so obviously we have these shoes.
Yes.
And in the glam room we have the sneaks. Sorry, bro. What's happening? So when I first designed the closet on IKEA, I was like, oh my god, I want this for shoes. So this is more like heels and stuff. But I will say I hardly reach for these. So I feel like it's a waste of space. Like even like my favorite heels are here. So part of me regrets doing this and I'm like, oh, I wish I did another like
Yeah.
hanging area.
That's fine. Okay, and there's also heels up there.
Yeah, those are costumey like stripper heels
I
that
love love.
or something.
Yeah, I just still don't know what's going on in that whole pile.
Okay.
So
okay.
like,
Holy shit. You guys, look at all of this. Day one, baby. Done.
Tomorrow.
Ladies, what do we have going on?
Day 2 of Alicia's closet clean out, and today we're tackling the dresser. The goal is to be able to get rid of it and put the rest of it in the closet. Honestly, the good thing about workout clothes is there's some things that are so dingy that I've had for years that I feel like that's such an easy like toss get rid of.
Wait, what about the socks?
yeah.
Some of these I've probably had since like middle school.
Oh, good luck, ladies.
So these are all bathing suits?
Pretty much.
Oh Oh my god, yeah. There's a lot of bathing. We're gonna get rid of a lot.
Yeah. I feel like bathing suits are gifted a lot, so there's just so many. Like, if I don't feel good in one, I'm not gonna wear it, so I feel like that's like an easy one to get rid of. Oh my god.
Bathing suit drawer 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna get rid of a lot. We're gonna make her get rid of a lot.
What the heck, dude? That's a fortune of bathing suits. It's literally a mountain. It's bigger than Rosie.
Rosie.
Hello.
Okay, this I saw, I think on Pinterest, and I was like, this could be a cute moment.
No.
For what?
You know what? It's yours if you're gonna wear it and feel good in it.
I tried this on, and the bottoms actually made me look like a potato, which, like, you know, sexy as it is, but I just, clearly, we haven't worn this, so. Okay, we're making so much progress. The bathing suits, I didn't realize how bad those were. I think that's the thing I've been shocked at the most. The fact that it really was taking up 4 drawers worth of stuff.
Let's go. Period.
The reason why I have so many workout clothes is because I don't like getting rid of like old ones. I feel like there's days where I want an old pair of leggings that I don't care about, or I want to save my cute ones in case I maybe actually go to the gym and maybe there's cute guys. I think we should get one of the clear bins in the garage for like costumey stuff, like Disney ears, Halloween, stuff that's like very specific, you know, like handcuffs. Also, a lot of the stuff that's in here is like techie stuff. Honestly, most of these are empty, so like there's so much room. These are Ashley's. This one's mine. I'm gonna put this one in my closet. Boom, boom. Fine with that, fine with that. Okay, so today Parker is not here, and she gave me a huge list of homework to do. One being really sort through all the clothes, figure out what is donatable, what is worth selling, and also what is just actual trash. Donate, donate. I feel like we have a lot to do. It's taking a lot longer than I expected. However, I will say, I don't think I realized how much me being stressed and my anxiety was from the house just being a complete disaster. I didn't anticipate how much just random trash. I think this is trash bag number 4.
Nice.
Thanks. It's heavy.
Stars are just like us. They take out the trash. Nice shoes.
Thank you.
Yeehaw.
Oof. Literally,
Chloe.
I wore these on. You need out? These babies, I'm not kidding. If you guys went to the girls' night in tour 2016, you saw me wear these. Like, they've been around the nation. I think they've even been around the world. I want to thank you for all the performances, all the nights out. Like, you know, you finally made me feel hot. I think that was an era where I started to like grow up a little bit.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I don't know where your left one is. For that reason, I have to throw you away. Guess what came?
What?
The hangers came in time, which I'm really excited about. These are the ones that Parker wanted me to get for like skirts and jeans and stuff because they have the metal instead of the plastic, and they can be all uniform, and that way we can save a lot of space in the closet. So I will have these linked down below for you guys. They come apart, so you can use it as a normal hanger, or you can just slide this baby in, and then you have the bottom one. They even have like a protective, what is that called?
Like seal?
Yeah, so excited. Okay guys, it's another day in our closet organization journey. So Parker kicked me out a little bit ago because she wanted, you know, to do the full reveal and show me everything. So I'm so excited.
Okay guys, this is my first time. Holy sh!
Tell me when.
You're not ready.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Dude, isn't it crazy?
Parker!
It's wild.
Why does it look like a completely different, like, oh my god!
So cute, right?
It's like my own little parallel store.
So cute.
I promise I'll keep it.
Oh my gosh, you better.
She's like,
I'm coming out
you better.
I've never seen it this clean in my life.
I'm excited to like get dressed.
Oh, I'm excited for you.
Oh my god.
Yay. Of course, we have to have your nice bags on display.
Yes.
Of course.
Oh my god. It feels like such a little like boutique store.
Love it. All little shirts that couldn't fit on the rack. And then we have dresses and sets. Color coded, of course. I love this set. I'm proud of you. It's a great one. Like, I cannot wait to make a look with this
Oh
set.
my god, oh my god, oh my god. The hangers look so good.
Oh yeah. She did order her hangers, her clip hangers.
Like,
It just makes it look nicer.
look what
wait,
made it!
What's your favorite jacket of hers, Parker?
Ooh.
This one. I'm such a
Mine!
I'm such a shorty. I'm only 5'1", but here is the coat.
I just
That she
got
just
that.
got it. And I freaked out. I was like, I think that's my favorite jacket
Go
ever.
watch my vlog clothing haul.
Yeah.
Shut the up. I don't know why this drawer turned into just random stuff.
It was like a junk drawer.
It was
It
almost
was.
like a closet junk drawer. I feel like everything just has a spot now.
Clearly you like silver.
Oh my god. I do love silver.
And she loves sunglasses. That's so many sunglasses.
These are my favorite pair because they're prescription.
Wait, shut up.
No way.
Yeah.
Wait, where'd you get
are
those?
fire.
I don't know. How did you fold it this way? It's literally just normal folding. I get it. Like, it just looks different than I'm used to. I'm so sorry.
I mean, everyone it depends on my mood. Sometimes I fold different ways.
I can't even remember the last time I had room.
Yeah. You're like, shopping spree.
No, I'm gonna be good. I'm not gonna buy anything, promise.
I'm like,
Oh my god,
don't
the
promise
jeans.
on camera. Wait, what?
Yes, this comes out.
I had no idea.
You know,
Okay.
I figured that out.
I had no idea that does that. That is sickening.
Oh my god. I feel like I'm living my Hannah Montana dream right
This
now.
is like sicker than Hannah Montana, this closet. This is like the coolest
the
closet
fact
ever.
that these are all bathing suits when before it would go 4 drawers.
4 drawers of bathing suits. That's so
crazy.
unacceptable. I'm kidding.
I know it is. Oh, the socks.
Any extra space?
Oh my god. Oh! I love this because they were just, it looks like such a mess on there. This looks so much better. I think in my, she's like, wait a damn minute.
Oh wait, redo. No.
Looks insane.
It looks, I knew I had a lot of shoes, but I feel like
Yeah, now you see what you have.
like now I'm like, oh my god, these would look so good with an orange top. I'm so visual. I feel like that's my problem. I forget I have stuff if it's not out. Like if I don't see it. Oh my god, Parker, thank you so freaking much. I cannot begin to tell you how much I needed this. So go follow Parker on Instagram and everything. She is amazing. She's so talented. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what video you want us to do next.
Or where we should organize next.
Or what part of my house I should organize next because I'm thinking the garage, the gym. I mean the garage is so bad. Okay, we'll get that. Okay, bye.